To create a surgical mask, cut 4 pieces of fabric from the pattern. Line up the right sides together so you have 2 pieces. Stitch them from the pointy end down to the middle on 2 of them. Once this has been done, you will have 2 pieces that you can line up right sides together so that you can open those pieces up, line them up together, and then stitch all the way around to create the whole mask. After you have stitched all the way around the whole mask, leaving 1 1/4 inch open down in the bottom right corner, you can turn the mask right side out. As soon as the mask is turned right side out, you can iron the seams so that they are pressed and look nicer. After this is done, take a small wire and put it up through the hole that you left open down in the bottom right corner. Take the wire and shove it up near where the nose hole will be. Get it situated so that you can stitch around the wire to be able to keep it in place. Once that wire has been stitched in, you can stitch the bottom right hole closed. Now take 2 pieces of elastic and fold over the right and left sides of the mask, making sure to not stitch over the elastic. Once that has been done, you can tie the elastic together, creating elastic pieces to go around the ears. That's it. You've got a surgical face mask ready to go.